Okay, so hi you guys. I'm gonna do this slime tutorial. Slime. My favorite thing to play with other than my phone. So yeah. Yeah. So I'm gonna. Sorry, this is so weird. So we just came back from vacation, and vacation is done with, I think. Yeah. I start school on Monday. I have a bad teacher too. So if you want to make this slime, keep on watching. Jiggly, bubbly slime. Keep on watching. So a few things are going to be optional. So the first thing you're going to need is a container. Something to mix with. I got a popsicle stick or a pen. I think I'm going to use the pen. Water. And tie. This is no borax, so, because some people find it hard to get borax. Oh, I forgot something. The glue! Oh my god, I can't believe I forgot it. Let me go get it. Some glue and some seashells, which is optional, and food coloring, which is also optional. I'm using green. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is pour in the glue.
Yeah, I'll give you.
I'm gonna pour in the full bottle.
No, then we can't make any more slime.
I can get more glue
How? Oh, that's too
by
much.
going to the store and buying some. Because Daddy's giving me $25. So now I'm gonna take my water, pour in the glue, and I'm going to shake. Because this is gonna be jiggly, and I think I'm gonna pour 2 of waters to get all the glue out, and then I'm just gonna pour like a little bit more water. That's enough. This is how it looks like, and you want the slime to look like milk, basically. So I'm gonna come back, and you're gonna stir it, and I'm gonna come back when I'm done stirring. So now you're gonna wanna get some soap or some shampoo, and I'm gonna use some shampoo, and you're gonna just do 3 squirts. So I'm gonna go get it. So I did my shampoo in. So now I'm gonna pour in the Tide.
Oh.
You're gonna have to do a little bit more Tide than usual because you poured water in it. So now I'm gonna go in with my hands.
You forgot
I
this.
poured in a lot of Tide.
Forgot this.
I poured in about 2.5 cups of, like 2.5 of these cups.
Hey, I'm not in the video.
Because this is my tutorial. So I'm going to go in my hands and yeah. So I just put more Tide because I needed it and it was still sticky. So yeah, I just put more Tide. It looks like it's activated right now, but it's really not. It's gonna look like it's overactivated, but it only looked like that because of the water. So just know it's not. So now I'm just going to, it's done. It's basically done now. And if you don't think it's jiggly enough, which I think mine is jiggly enough for me, if you don't think it's jiggly enough, you can just add more water. And if you add more water, you are going to have to add more Tide. So yeah. And I'm just going to, I don't think I'm going to put in the food coloring, but I'm going to add the seashells. And yeah, I'm going to put in the food coloring, so I'll come back when it's done. So I'm mixing the coloring in, and I just noticed this is the biggest slime I've ever made. It's super heavy. Oh my gosh. Wow. So you guys, that's it for the video. I hope you like it. And soon I'm going to do a butter slime tutorial, so stay tuned for that. And make sure you press the notification bell and subscribe down below. So yeah, thank you for watching so much. And if you're new, subscribe. And if you're not new, well, I missed you so much. And thank you for watching. Bye! And I did put the seashells on it. Seashells look pretty. They're real seashells. So, bye!